I look so nice. We just got back from getting some groceries and things like that for Ella's birthday. We are setting up right now. Look how cute these are. Slightly bigger one. That actually is kind of cute. What do you think? That's cute. Yeah. This is cool. We are envisioning Mira will be gone, doing a balloon arch. She's gonna put a little sign here, and this will be our dessert table. Why is it doing that? Okay guys, so just as I was preparing this, Lovevery sent Ella a birthday present. It's the Helper Playkit. Whoa! Wait, she's gonna love everything in here. What is this? You know what? I feel like I should do this with Ella. Should I go bring her down? I'll go bring her down. So let's go get Ella. Ella, are you awake? Oh! What are you doing?
Sleeping.
You're sleeping? Ella, Lovevery sent you a gift. Do you want to go see it?
Yeah. Baby cupcake.
Oh, Immo will get you that, okay? Look, Ella! Are you excited to open it up? Can you open it up with Amma?
Yeah.
Open it. Wow! What is that?
Look at all these toys. There's a puzzle. Shapes puzzle. Whoa.
Ella, this is gonna be so cool.
Yeah, well, I think this is the highlight. Are you ready?
What's that?
They sent you a limited stick, and it actually works, Ella.
See it? That's so much fun. Ella.
Lovevery's Playkits are carefully crafted with natural materials and they're free from harmful chemicals. Each box is filled with a variety of engaging toys and activities that encourage exploration, learning, and imaginative play. From sensory playthings to wooden puzzles, Lovevery's toys are designed to support your child's growth and development at every stage. So why not give Lovevery a try and see the magic unfold for yourself? Check the description box below for a link that goes straight to their website to pick out the perfect birthday present when you can't think of what to gift a young one.
Thanks for having.
I'm watching your eyes and you keep going to the pink ones over there.
Which one do you want, Ella?
Yes, ma'am, you got it. Yes, just like that. Good job. All right.
That one or just one of them?
Kiss the heart. There. Good job. Good job, honey. Now, can we put it right there, okay? Yes. I'm pretty sure Mama does the same thing sometimes too, huh? All right.
I mean, these are cute.
Mommy,
She doesn't like that one.
Wow.
That's yours.
right.
Yeah. Oh, you want the light on again? Press the button. Wow.
Right. You good, Grace? That's very pretty. Hello everyone! So today is Ella's birthday. We are on our way to get her a cake and she really wanted this baby shark cake for the longest time. I'm promising her that for her birthday I will get it for her. So I called a couple of the stores and I called one other store that was like the most on the way, even though it's not really on the way, and they're sold out. So I called another store and they had it. So we're traveling like out of our way to go pick that up to keep my promise with Ella baby. Grace did the balloon arch and she FaceTimed me in the morning. It looked gorgeous. I was like, wow, this is like professional level. Let's go pick up the cake and then head over to Grace's. We're going there a little early because Kevin had to go to work and I felt bad that Grace had to just do everything by herself. So I'm gonna go and help out. And same with this one. I can't really see through it. But...
Do you enjoy leaning on immo? Hi, princess.
What's up, Appa?
It's for Ella's birthday.
Mom.
You're welcome, baby. Wow. Do you love it? What do you see, Ella? Is that your tutu?
Cake.
Who's here? Ella, you gotta come in. You have to say welcome when they come, okay? Ella, say welcome. Say out. Welcome. Ella, you're so cute. Welcome. 얘 지금 일어났어요. Really? 점이에요.
애교점이 있네.
지금 일어났어요. 뭐래요 이거?
와우. 얘 좋아. What's that? 너무 좋아. Who is it? Oh, the arch the balloon. Both the dogs are like dying for
I know.
and much faster. Oh my, that looks so good.
Does it have the juice? So,
I'll just leave it here.
yeah, if there's extra or leftover, you just put it in there.
Oh, okay.
힘들지. 애들한테 항상 얘기하는데. 나 요거 잡으려고.
이런 거 잡아, 이런 거. 그래, 있어야겠다. 나도 빨리 해.
이거 냄새가 이거 냄새가 내 스타일인데.
아니, 엄마 잡아줄게. 여기 밖에 있어. 그래서 엄마.
이거 이게 안 좋아. 아니야.
좋아줘?
부르자 일단. 부르자.
아니야 이거 빼야지. 엘치하고 얘네도 봐.
Ready?
시작.
자.
Happy birthday to you.
이거야? 다 먹었어.
진짜?